Hello everybody, it's me, Golden Foxy, the Fox, whatever you wanna call me, just Golden Foxy, and, what's it? This is my third video, but I just wanna say, what was it? I can't remember it, I'm just so excited that I'm starting a YouTube channel, sorry about that, but that is one of the, oh god, that is a picture of me right there. It's sort of black so you can see me well. I don't want to do a reveal face that much. So what I will do is block that by I have some bad videos. I'm sorry. I don't want to show them right now. I look live not to see. But I might have 0 views right now, but whoever likes Golden Foxy, just gonna have to see. Sorry, I got better, as you can see in the video. Okay. Just do this. Here, just gonna go to YouTube. Whatever I have to do. Then, I don't finish this video right here, so I just, here, as you can see, my picture's static. I don't. Actually, that is me right there. It's hard. The gray bit is me. Like, the little bottom gray, that's me. So I have bad art. Very funny. This is it. Guessed it. Better. Yes, I had. It was that. Don't go. It's really bad. Yeah, see? Yeah, it's really bad. So, you don't need it. And this is. You can see it says what. That right there, oh my god. The thing on the Bible has both. I have the bad arm for the sad face. Yeah, so I just actually get out. The music doesn't come on. There's a script. So right now I'm going to search online. I don't know. Thank you for all the shit on this one. I know I'm gonna be. No, I don't know. I'm sick. It's just so exciting. Sorry. I might have people hate me. Okay. I'll be using that. What there? It really did it, but back to it. I just page. It's right here. Right now. I don't want to click it because it maybe will delete what I'm doing. So, there it is. See, so that's what it means. So, yeah. Check out my horror video. I just typed in random stuff. No. Yeah. One day I want to be like these guys. Okay. God. Oh my. Jesus Christ. Jeez. Okay. And also, oh God, actually. And also, I am not going to cast, but I might see H word. It's not an H word to tell, but sorry about that. If people are not allowed to watch Hell, just leave in the comments below this video. And it's, yes, GG. I type it GG. Yes, I have to make live streams, but I am not really doing good live streams. I will make a live stream doing that. Yes. I am a child. I am 8 years old. Don't blame. I just turned 8. Don't forget my birthday is January 8th. It's 6 months right now. So, also one of the people I actually like is Kai. You can just go here and go Foxy YouTuber. It's in my birthday from her from Kai SFM, not Kai SFM. I don't know who the heck this is from, but it's totally not Kai, and then Kai SFM. She's my favorite. So yeah, I actually been in the Steam to actually see it. But Yoda. Oh crap. Look at it right here. You can just see it's one right there. Golden Foxy. Please stop this. Yes. Please stop spam. Or spam whatever. Okay. I didn't really text back after that. I'm pretty sure. So yes. I will be making us them soon. Oh God. Yes, I will. I don't speak this language. I'm sorry. I am not in it. Yeah. And we go here. I can log in. Yeah. Yes. I will make this full screen. I'm going to make it full screen. I want to see that it's dead for wrong. Stop. Yeah, so sorry about this bad video. I have been making a lot of bad videos because I'm just joining YouTube. I'm really sorry. And yeah, really sorry that I'm gonna be bad. As soon as I get hang of it, I will be better. So I'm gonna have to end the video here. Bye. Also, my videos will be at least 15 videos long. No, 15 minutes long or less than that until I have to use my money. I don't want to use my mom's money to actually get the other button where I can do it anytime I want. So you're just gonna have to deal with 15 videos. Sorry, I'm really sorry. I don't mean to do it. So I guess it's near 15 minutes. It's been 10 minutes and 15 seconds, so yeah. Let's just end the video. So, and also if it's really bad, I'm sorry. Clicking noises, you might hear my breath in every video, because I cannot turn off the volume unless I do something. Sorry about that art video. Voice was on it, so sorry. Before I actually, I can't even say it. I paused the video in a second. I thought you heard it click, so I forgot to say something. What was I gonna say? Crap. What was it? Oh yeah, maybe my music was gonna go off. Sometimes I don't know what's wrong with this computer. I just got it. Probably that's what's wrong. So don't leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. A lot of people will be. Then later, someone will. Maybe not. And what was it? Percent notification video. Notification. I don't know how to. Notification. I don't know. I don't know how to say it. I'm really sorry. I am the worst person on earth. But just click here to subscribe. You can see this so you never miss a video. So I can show you right now if you don't really know what it is. Because I'm stupid. 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 Just stupid. 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 This button. Notifications. Yeah, that one. See, since 12, actually 12. Has been quitting her videos. She's not meaning to. She got hacked. Literally hacked. So why they hacked her? But it looks like this. Notifications. That's why I can say good. Why did I always watch this? No, I never watched it. I thought they would say that. But that's what I was talking about. But bye. Don't worry, you hear this click. It's just me getting out the video. Sorry about that. Bye.